It's a first-hand look at the scramble to find space for unaccompanied migrant children at the southern border. Here at this facility in CARRZO Springs, Texas, 766 teen boys are waiting in an immigration system being pushed to its limits.
But we came at the very beginning, and then
after mounting pressure on the Biden administration, our camera was allowed in. We saw the intake center where children are given a duffel bag of clothes and a medical screening, including a COVID test. 108 of them, or 14%, have tested positive. Here are their bunk beds, 4 assigned to each room. We also saw a dining hall, classrooms, and an outdoor recreation area where they played soccer under the bright Texas sun.
The buses with migrant teenagers head down this long, dusty dirt road and turn into the facility right there. The teenagers don't know how long they'll be inside.
Once an unaccompanied child is picked up at the border, they're sent to a facility run by Customs and Border Protection. Processing there is only supposed to take up to 72 hours, but for some children, it's taking much longer. Right now, nearly 5,000 unaccompanied migrant children are in CBP custody. After that, the children are taken to facilities like the one we saw, run by the Department of Health and Human Services, until they're placed with a relative or sponsor in the U.S. More than 11,000 are now in HHS custody.
Conditions are clearly better, but it's never right to have 766 kids in any place together.
Unlike President Trump, President Biden has allowed unaccompanied migrant children to stay in the U.S.
Was this facility opened as quickly as possible?
Yeah. Well, when we came in, the previous administration had not put in place certain protocols for COVID and also planned for bed space.
Now, Vice President Harris is being tasked with leading diplomatic efforts in Central American countries to try and stem the flow.
So this new surge we're dealing with now started with the last administration, but it's our responsibility to deal with it humanely.
So, Gabe, you've been covering the situation at the southern border for a number of years now. You're the only reporter that was allowed inside that facility on Wednesday. What struck you the most as you walked around?
Yeah, Craig, it's really the monumental task of placing these children with a family member or sponsor in the U.S. and trying to get them to some sense of normalcy. Now, we should point out that earlier this week we saw images of overcrowding at border facilities. Those weren't in a facility like this. Those were at CBP processing centers, and the Biden administration has not allowed reporters to access those facilities yet.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.